The Magenta Mine was one of the first gold mines in the Chiltern area and was worked continuously from its discovery in 1858 until 1901. One of the methods used here was known as open cut mining, where the mineral deposit containing the gold is close to and excavated from the surface. Between 1901 and the 1930s, the mine worked intermittently. During this time, additional shafts were sunk, steam winches were installed, and the tailings were treated with cyanide. During the mine's heyday, a residential area, known as Magenta, was located nearby and an unbroken chain of miners' dwellings stretched to Chiltern. There you have it, that's the tour of the Magenta Mine here in northeast Victoria. They're just outside of Chiltern. You know, we've got fresh coffee on the go, it's made up here before. Hey, life's good. Thanks for watching, see you next time.